Okay, so welcome to week 4 of EB11. And I'm just going to show you guys how to navigate through class page. So you'll see here, this is week 4, okay? And as we scroll down, you're going to see your assignments. So over here is your do now for week 4. This is what you're going to open, okay? And for your do now, you're going to read this article, and then you'll see that there are questions here for the article, and these questions are your do now. So when you're done with the do now for the week, you'll submit it right here by clicking on your submission, and that's where you'll put your do now for grading. If we go up here, you have a reading for this week, Melting Glaciers. So you'll scroll down here and you'll read the article, and then you have to answer the questions. Now, to answer the questions, you click on the document and you open it up, and then what you do is you go to the feature up top where you can draw and circle your answers, okay? And then you'll just circle them here. Okay, so that's what you'll do here. Okay, same thing for the next reading. You'll read about polar bears. You'll click on the questions. You'll open up the PDF file. And you'll scroll down and you'll circle the answers, okay? When you're done with those, you want to submit them up here where it says submit all of your daily work here. And then you have your exit ticket, which is your template here. You'll click on that. You'll open it up and you will write what you learned for each day. When you're done with that, you'll submit your exit ticket here, and then you'll be complete for the week. Okay? So, that's it for this week, and I hope that helped.